In today's video, we're going to be reacting to Chainsaw ZILLA. I have no idea what that means, Chainsaw ZILLA, but apparently he's going to be fighting Gigan, which I can't wait. Chainsaw ZILLA, that sounds scary. What? Yo, what is that, an octopus? What is that? Looks, I don't even know what that looks like. Oh, Bloop, of course, man. I feel like Bloop is just eating everything for no reason. He's all the time hungry. Oh my, okay, Bloop. You should have eaten that. I feel bad for him. He just wanted a snack. Oh, wait. Oh! They're cutting him from the inside. Oh. I feel bad for Bloop. Oh, no, wait. A second Bloop? You're gonna eat him too? Oh! His tail is a chainsaw, his arms are chainsaws, and his head, oh my, okay, let me pause it for a second. Let's look at his design. I don't know what that orange and black things are, but those look cool. So I'm for the design, I'm gonna give it like a 8 out of 10. 8 or 8.5. Let me know in the comments what you're rating him, but he looks scary. With his tail, that chainsaw in his tail and his teeth. Okay, why would you fight him, Bloop? Oh my. Why would you fight him? There's a dead Bloop right there and you decide to fight him? You're gonna lose. Ooh. The red atomic beam. I'm sorry, man. You deserved it. Why would you fight him? I'm sorry, man. He's going to be fighting Gigan, so I can't wait that. Gigan is like, what? What is that? Kraken, maybe. Oh, wait, is that Kraken? Oh, there we got Gigan. By the way, let me know in the comments why there's more than one Gigan. I always thought there was like one Gigan. Like there's one legendary Godzilla. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Ooh. Oh, Gigan actually has a chainsaw of himself. That's gonna be actually cool. I'm still gonna go with Chainsaw ZILLA. Oh, look. Oh my, he destroyed. I think this is a Kraken, right? Oh my. Oh. The one advantage the Gigants have is, yeah, like, look, there's like 3 of them. So they might actually stand a chance, but I'm still going for Chainsaw ZILLA. He's just too scary, man. Oh my. Ooh. Wait, did he kill them all? Oh, with the head too. He used his head one. Come on, man. Just run away. You guys can't beat him. He's too strong. Oh, maybe. Actually, they're doing something. Oh. Oh my. Attack together, guys. Come on, man. These guys don't know anything. What? Whoa. Come on, Godzilla Earth. Why did you have to do that? He came out of nowhere, man. Oh, okay. Against Godzilla Earth, I don't think he has a chance. I'm sorry. Look at him. Godzilla Earth is angry. I've never seen Godzilla Earth angry. Oh. Oh, I can't wait to watch the next part, but I'm gonna say Godzilla Earth is gonna destroy Chainsaw Zilla. But with that being said, that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys like it. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button. That being said, guys, peace.